Shanu this side and welcome to my new video. This related to Polytechnic. The one who is looking for career related job opportunities after 10th, this video is for them. So they are planning, once they have completed with their 10th, they will be deployed in the market. Certain courses are available in the market. Basically they are skill development courses available in the market. If you talk about skill development course, the most popular course in the market is Polytechnic. Polytechnic is the combination of two words, poly and technic. Poly means many and technique means basically the skill developed in this Polytechnic so that you can be absorbed in the market. Firstly, we talk about the history of Polytechnic, moving towards the duration, admission, eligibility, and what are the future prospects, salary you will be getting. Let's start the video. So guys, if we talk about history of Polytechnic, after the independence of industrialization boom up and the demand of BTech engineers grew in the market. In the industries, if we talk about what is the role play of diploma engineers, basically the BTech engineers can't deal with the workers directly because due to industrialization, production increased in India and we need more engineers. So a BTech qualified engineers wouldn't be able to have a better conversation with the workers and the management. For that, the requirement of diploma engineers come in demand. They act as a supervisor, they coordinate with the workers, technicians, and they even coordinate with the BTech engineers. They basically act as a supervisor for any industry. The duration of Polytechnic is 3 years. Some Polytechnic branches are also of 2 years. Diploma is of 3 years and basically it is divided in 6 semesters. In every 6 months you will be having your examinations, and in the last semester industrial exposure will be given to you. In that case you have to visit any industry, you have to work there, and in the last semester you have to submit project report at what you have worked over there, what basically you have learned from them. In basically your diploma program you will be having theoretical and practical knowledge both together. Talk about academic qualifications, minimum eligibility criteria is 55% in 10th. In Polytechnic we have state-based examinations. Suppose you're going to take admission in Delhi, so Delhi entrance examination will be there of Delhi Polytechnic, and suppose if you're going to take admission in Bihar, so Bihar Polytechnic. It begins with the notification in January, followed with the application. Your entrance examination will be in the month of April, or the main branches of Polytechnic are. If we talk about the future scope of Polytechnic, you can just continue with your further studies. You can just do your BTech and your masters. You can just take entry in the BTech via lateral entry mode and continue with your masters. And those who don't want to continue with the degree, the parents are not financially well supported, they can just go for public sector and private sector. If you talk about public sector, there are n number of openings. PWD, banks are there, railway, private sectors. If someone has done diploma in IT, so they can go for Wipro, HCL. If someone has done diploma in automobile, so they can go for Maruti, Hero, Honda, etc. The salary of diploma engineers, it varies from person to person. The starting salary is of 12,000 to 20,000 salary you will be getting. Skill sets is totally filled by your skill sets.